All right, welcome to section 12. In this section, we're going to learn about exception handling. In the last section, we were learning that we can use looping structures to force valid input. So I can say, give me a number between 1 and 10. No. Give me a number between 1 and 10. No, I said, give me a number between 1 and 10. And we can use a while or a do while loop to hold them there in order to force the valid input. But what if I say, no, I meant give me a number between 1 and 10? Because if they can something non-numeric into a numeric field, it blows up my program, right? And we would really like to stop that from happening. So we're going to leap forward into section 12 in order to learn a little bit about exception handling so we can stop that from happening. So by the time we are done with this section, we're going to be learning about when the input stream goes into failure and how to clear that failure. And we're also going to learn about how to catch more varied exceptions using try catches, and then finally how to throw our own exceptions. All right, so when the user keys in something that would put the input stream into failure, for instance, if they key non-numeric value into a numeric field, it must be the time of night, playtime for my dog, so my apologies. It's going to put the input stream in failure. So what we're going to do is use a while loop to test the value of the input stream. And if it's in failure, we're going to do two things. We're going to clear it, which means clear the failure. And then we're going to clear out everything that is currently in the input stream. And then we're going to read it again. And we're going to use a while loop to continue doing that until they give us a valid numeric input. Now, you may recognize the cn.ignore. We have used that before when we did the numeric limits, the stream size, and the max. And this is another way that we can do that. So we can do the cn.ignore with the int max. We're going to have to import int max, and both the numeric limits come in from the C limit, so we'll have to import that. And the stream size is would be imported from the iOS. So this is an example of what we were doing before. The cn.ignore, numeric limit, stream size max. We're going to try to shorten that into int max. And both of those, we're going to have to import C limits.